Imagine a paradise nestled in the warm embrace of the Indian Ocean, where turquoise water kisses pristine white sand beaches, and lush green forests are teeming with exotic wildlife. Welcome to the Exotic Seychelles, a country made up of 115 islands, each one offering its own unique allure. From the charm of Praslin's palm-fringed shores to the hidden beauty of Silhouette Island, Seychelles is a mosaic of experiences waiting to be discovered. Here, every season is a summer season, with a warm climate all year round, making it an ideal destination for those in search of endless sunshine. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or simply looking for a luxurious getaway, Seychelles has something for you. Indulge in the island's rich culture, explore its abundant nature, or simply bask in its opulence. The Enchanting Seychelles is a dream destination that combines luxury, nature, and culture into one unforgettable experience. First stop, Praslin, the second largest island of Seychelles, a haven of tranquility and untouched beauty. Praslin is a gem in the heart of the Indian Ocean, boasting an array of natural wonders that will leave you breathless. This enchanting island is a tapestry of lush vegetation and azure waters, painting a picturesque scenery that's nothing short of paradise. Praslin's beaches are a marvel to behold. Imagine a stretch of pure white sand, kissed by the gentle waves of the crystal-clear ocean. These shores are not just for lazing around, they are also a gateway to a vibrant underwater world. Snorkeling here is like diving into a living aquarium, teeming with colorful marine life and stunning coral reefs. But the island's beauty isn't confined to its coastline. Venture inland, and you'll come across the Valley de Mahe Nature Reserve. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to the ancient and endemic Coco de Mer palm trees, the bearers of the world's largest seeds. Walking through this primordial forest feels like stepping back in time, a journey into a world that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. Praslin is also rich in cultural experiences. From Creole cuisine that tantalizes your taste buds with bold flavors, to local crafts that showcase the island's artistic heritage, there's a wealth of experiences that add a dash of local color to your island getaway. And let's not forget the island's warm and welcoming people. They are the heart and soul of Praslin, infusing the island with a vibrant energy that's as captivating as its natural beauty. The locals' genuine hospitality will make you feel right at home, turning your visit into an experience you'll cherish forever. Praslin, a destination that perfectly encapsulates the serene beauty of Seychelles. This island paradise is more than just a holiday destination, it's a sensory journey that will leave you captivated and yearning for more. So if you're seeking a place where nature's beauty is in full bloom, where every moment is a celebration of life, look no further. Praslin awaits. Next, we venture to La Digue, an idyllic island that time seems to have forgotten. Nestled amidst the emerald waters of the Indian Ocean, La Digue is a slice of paradise, untouched by the frenzy of modern life. Imagine an island where the pace of life is dictated by the rising and setting sun, where the only traffic you'll encounter is a leisurely bicycle ride. That's La Digue for you, an island that embraces a charming simplicity. Here, traditional ox carts and bicycles replace the hustle and bustle of cars, creating a laid-back atmosphere that invites you to slow down and soak in the beauty around you. As you traverse the scenic bicycle routes, you'll be welcomed by the sights and sounds of nature, the rustling of palm leaves, the chirping of rare birds, and the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. The island's traditional lifestyle, complete with Creole houses and vanilla plantations, offers a glimpse into a bygone era, adding to its unique allure. But the crown jewel of La Digue is undoubtedly Ant's Source d'Argent. Known as one of the most photographed beaches in the world, this beach is a spectacle to behold. Powdery white sands, granite boulders worn smooth by eons of weathering, and turquoise waters create a breathtaking canvas that looks like it's been plucked straight out of a fantasy. Whether you choose to laze on the beach, explore the coral reefs, or simply enjoy a picnic under the shade of the takamaca trees, Ant's Source d'Argent promises an experience you'll cherish for a lifetime. La Digue, a picturesque retreat where you can truly disconnect and unwind. It's not just a destination but a journey back in time, a retreat to a simpler, more tranquil way of life. This idyllic island beckons you to leave your worries behind and embrace the serene rhythm of island life. So are you ready to answer the call? Our journey continues to Mahe, the largest island of Seychelles and the cultural heart of the country. An island that is as diverse as it is beautiful. Mahe beckons with its bustling markets, tantalizing Creole cuisine and vibrant nightlife, offering a slice of the local life that's as colorful as the coral reefs that surround the island. Here, you'll find a blend of cultures, a testament to the island's rich history. The Creole influence is especially prominent, reflected in the island's cuisine that's a flavorful fusion of African, French, Chinese, and Indian dishes. A visit to the local market is a sensory delight, with stalls brimming with tropical fruits, spices, and fresh seafood. But the allure of Mahe doesn't stop at its cultural offerings. The island is also home to the Morne Seychellois National Park, a verdant expanse that covers over 20% of the island. This park is a hiker's paradise, with trails meandering through lush forests, past cascading waterfalls, and up to panoramic viewpoints. The highest peak, Morne Seychellois, offers breathtaking views of the island and the shimmering ocean beyond. And let's not forget the beaches. Mahe is fringed by over 60 stunning beaches, each with its own charm. But if there's one beach that stands out, it's Beauvalin. With its wide stretch of soft sand, calm waters, and stunning sunsets, Beauvalin is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Whether you prefer to laze under a palm tree, try your hand at water sports, or simply soak in the mesmerizing views, Beauvalin offers a beach experience like no other. Mahe, a vibrant blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. This is where the heart of Seychelles beats, pulsating with life, love, and laughter. It's an island that invites you to immerse yourself in its rhythm, to explore its many facets, and to fall in love with its irresistible charm. Finally, we arrive at Silhouette Island, a secluded sanctuary of pristine nature and luxury resorts. This hidden gem, just off the coast of the Seychelles main islands, is a world of its own. With dense forests that blanket the island, Silhouette is a veritable paradise for nature lovers. Its mountainous terrain is a delightful challenge for the adventurous, offering a chance to explore the untouched beauty of the Seychelles. At the heart of Silhouette Island, you'll discover the La Brise Resort, an exclusive haven of luxury and tranquility. Here you can indulge in the finest comforts while being surrounded by the exotic allure of the island. The resort offers an immersive experience, blending seamlessly with the island's environment. But Silhouette Island is not just about relaxation and luxury, it's also a playground for the adventurous. The island's crystal-clear waters are a diver's paradise, teeming with colorful marine life and spectacular coral formations. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, the underwater world of Silhouette will leave you spellbound. For those who prefer to stay dry, the island offers excellent opportunities for fishing. The surrounding waters are home to a variety of fish species, making it an ideal spot for both casual anglers and serious sport fishermen. Birdwatchers too will find Silhouette to be a haven. The island's dense forests are home to rare species of birds, many of which are endemic to the Seychelles. Walking through the forests with the songs of birds filling the air is an experience that is both tranquil and invigorating. Silhouette Island, a hidden gem that offers the ultimate luxury experience in Seychelles. Seychelles is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a feeling, a memory that lingers long after you've left its shores. It's an archipelago of dreams where each island whispers a different tale of romance and adventure. From the enchanting Praslin with its emerald forests to the idyllic La Digue, where time seems to stand still. From the vibrant Mahe, a melting pot of cultures, to the secluded Silhouette Island, a haven of tranquility. Seychelles is a place that embraces you with its natural beauty, invites you to explore its diverse experiences, and captivates your heart with its romantic appeal. It's a place where you can walk on pristine beaches, swim in turquoise waters, hike through lush forests, and dine under the stars. It's a place where you can discover exotic wildlife, immerse in local culture, and indulge in luxury. It's a place that's not just about the destination, but also about the journey. It's about the moments you share, the memories you create, and the stories you bring back. Seychelles is not just a place, it's a feeling, it's a memory, it's an experience. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, an adventure trip, or a cultural exploration, Seychelles offers a dream vacation that you'll remember for a lifetime.